Welcome to all Python learners. Today we are going to learn arithmetic operations in Python. Let us first do this simplification. X equal 14 minus 10 division 2 addition 6 multiplication 3. Here in this expression, observe all the arithmetic operations are there. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us print the result. You see the result is 27. Let us check. In arithmetic operations, first we do the multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. According to that, 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, 10 division 2 is 5, 18 minus 5 is 13, 14 plus 13 is 27. So it is checked. Now let us do the addition of fractions. X equal 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Let us print. The result X. Here you see the result is 2.1666666. If you would like to take the printout of this result up to 2 decimal places, then in the code percentile point to F percentile X. See here, it is 2.17, so we have got up to 2 decimal places. Now if you would like to get up to 3 decimal places, then change 2 as 3. And you are getting the result up to 3 decimal places. So if you would like to get 4 decimal places, then change this 3 as 4. Now let us find the square root of any number. Now let us find the square root of any number in Python. For that we need to import math library. Import math library. Import math. X equal math dot sqrt in the parenthesis the number for what you would like to find the square root, say 289. print the result x. So here the result is 17. Square root of 289 is 17. Now let's change the number. Say we would like to find the square root of 17. So we are getting 4.123, so on. Now let us print the result up to 2 decimal places. Then in the quote, percentile point 2 f percentile x. So the result is up to 2 decimal places. If you would like to change it up to 3 or 4, say 3, then the result is 4.123. Hope all of you have understood. In next lecture, we will learn how to solve the algebraic equation in Python.